How to fix a Wi-Fi not showing in settings and unable to connect with the Wi-Fi. It is not showing here in this area also, you can see. So let's start, and I will give you 4-5 methods so to solve this issue. So let's start. First of all, we have to make sure that it is not our hardware issue. So to make sure, you have to come here in the search bar and type device manager. In the device manager, you have to check for network adapters. Double click on that and you will see here maybe Atheros or Broadcom or Intel wireless band, dual band, or anyone. In some cases it is not become dual band. So it is there is a second method to make sure that our hardware is fine. Come here in the search bar and type CMD, and here type ping space 127.1.1.1. hit enter, and if you see these types of numbers, so that mean our hardware is fine. So there is no issue with the hardware. So let's start from the beginning with the first method. Close this one and come here in the search bar and again type CMD and type here in this area netsh space winsock reset. Click enter and you will see the error that operation requires elevation run as a administrator. So type CMD and then click on the run as a administrator. When we run as a administrator, it will ask for the permission, and now we will again type netsh winsock reset. Hit enter and you will see successfully reset, and after that you have to type net int space. After net you have to give space, sorry, net sh then space int then ip then reset then space reset log space txt, and then after that you will see here option restart your computer. Now after that just restart your computer, and if still it doesn't work, your Wi-Fi is still not showing, we have to go to the search bar and type control panel, and in control panel you can go with the small icons and then network and sharing center. In network sharing center you have to come to the change adapter settings, and here you have to see if your Wi-Fi adapter, and you can see here in network adapters it was showing that Intel dual band. Okay, our adapter is Intel, and you will see here also same name, Intel dual band. So just skip other one and right click on that. If it is disabled, click on enable, and if it is enabled, so just try with the first of all just click on disable and then enable it again, and it will fix your computer your issue. That in case if it doesn't solve your issue, there is another method I will show you. Click on start menu, click on settings, and then network and internet. And in network and internet you will see some of the settings. Scroll little bit down and you will see network reset. Click on that and then click on reset now, and after it will take time and it will reset all of your settings, and your you will see here your PC will be restarted. So just click on reset now and then apply a reset. Okay, so if still this doesn't solve this issue, it is not solving this issue, there is another issue method I will show you. Come here in the search bar and type services. And now you will see here Wi-Fi direct services connection manager service. Okay, find it. You can press W from your keyboard and right click on that, and you have to check if it is not working. Simply click on start, or first of all double click on that, and after that startup type you have to click on automatic, and then you have to click on start. Okay, and then after that apply and then OK. So after that restart your computer and it will solve your issue. And in case still it is not working, there is another method. Click here on the search menu, or right click and click on right click here in the start menu, click on run and then type msconfig and after that in to services. In the services you have to enable all the services from here. In my case all of working, so I will click on OK. Just enable all services and click OK and then restart your computer. And if still it is not working or it is still not showing, then you have to again come here in the search bar and type device manager. And the device manager you have to come to the network adapters, double click on that, and if you see update drivers, and in case because over Wi-Fi and we don't have internet, so it will not take search automatically for drivers. So what we have to do is click on browse my computer for drivers, and in this area you have to choose let me pick from the list available, and you will see here you will get two options. You can try with the both. Click on next and it will start installing drivers. After that it will solve your issue, and in case it doesn't solve, just restart your computer and it will work. And now in some of the cases if still not working, it is still, as you can see, it is not showing. You will see here option Wi-Fi 2 or Wi-Fi turned off, turn on Wi-Fi back. If you click here, if you see here three options, just simply click on this Wi-Fi button and you will see here our issue have resolved. So these are the some of the methods that will 100% fix your issue. So for more educational videos, or helping videos, subscribe our channel Dr. Mobo. Thank you for watching.